Why would anyone choose a historically black college?
People tend to think that the black myth, that is really a myth. I think we're missing the boat when it comes to that, especially here in California.
Once there, they partner with the students, and success is absolutely a partnership. They invest, the student invests, and they make sure that the student is investing. If you're not in class, you could probably expect a phone call from your instructor saying, "Where are you?" In fact, I know that for sure because it's happened to at least one of my daughters.
I was impressed with Alabama A&M based on the technology aspects of what they offered. Just based on my experience at IBM, Headway, and so forth, I knew that some of the things that they were doing in technology were things that were state-of-the-art just based on some of the improvements that I'd seen over the past few years.
HBCUs will give students a chance. They look at more than the academic record in determining whether a student is fit for college or if they are going to be able to adapt to college life and if they're going to be successful.
Why would anyone choose a historically black college?